Hey, what's up guys, it's Emma and I'm here with a brand new video, and I know I said last month that I was going to be posting more, but I ended up not posting that whole month. So this is like my last few months of school, so school's been a little cray-cray, not gonna lie. But you know, summer's in literally like a week and a half and I'm pumped, you have no idea. So I decided I was gonna film a video today because it's Friday and I have no plans because I have no plans. So I decided to film a room tour because one, people have been requesting this video or to see this video since I made a YouTube channel, and two, it gave me the excuse to clean my room even though it's still kind of dirty and I shoved everything to the side. But I'm going to be doing a room tour. I'm not sure exactly how long this video is going to be because I've never done videos like this and I didn't really know how to explain everything. My room is not like that, you know, interesting. I mean, I love my room. Like, I love how it like looks and everything, but like there's not much to explain, you know? But I'm gonna be doing that. You should definitely leave a like and subscribe to my channel down below. The little button to subscribe to see my videos. I'm gonna be trying to post a lot more in the summer because I'm gonna have a lot of free time hopefully, but I don't know yet. You should turn on post notifications to know whenever I post, and definitely share this video with your friends because then I can make new friends. I think that's all. We should just get on with the video. Also, you should definitely stay to the end for a surprise that I'm holding in my hand right now. So, right when you come in my room, this is like what it looks like, you know. There's my candle because I'm always having candles in my room. Here is my closet with all of my clothes. Next I have my favorite mirror in the world. I'm looking at like the little viewfinder thingy right here. But it's like a full-length mirror and it goes to the floor, which is pretty nice because then I can like see my outfits, you know. I'm like playing it off like these are my pajamas, but like if you look at my actual pajamas, you'd be so jealous because they're like so great. They're like Then right next to my mirror, I have my desk right here. On top, I have this little book that my friend Vivian got me because she's freaking amazing and I love it so much. Then I have like silly putty. Then I have this little light thingy from my friend Jenna. You probably know who Jenna is. I love Jenna. It like lights up and it's so cute. And then I have this little jar, but it opens. There's nothing in it. This is my bullet journal. I don't know if you know what that is, but like, okay, that's like really bad. And then I did this one like today, and I spilled water on it, and I was so angry, and I can't draw for my life, so it looks really bad. It's kind of like a little planner, and you can just plan anything. Then I have my Mac, which I use every single day. I love it, and it was so like worth buying because I use it so much. Then over here I have a coaster. Then I have a little gold jar with pens and pencils and scissors. I don't know why my family trusts me with scissors, but you know. And then I have another little sign because I have these all over my room, and behind it is a speaker. You never know because I'm so stealthy and I'm a ninja basically. Now over here, this is like the messiest part of my room. Okay, this looks so like cluttered and gross, but this is my aloe plant that is basically or should be dead because I haven't watered it in so long. Okay, good enough. So here's my aloe plant. I have a memory jar that I absolutely love. It's with my best friend, Ashton. Like, she made it for me, and we put like little things like for memories that we've done or something. And then I have bubbles back here that I'm actually gonna put on the floor. But Ashton and I tried doing a photo shoot that literally did not work with bubbles. So I'm gonna put this on the floor because no one needs to see that. Back here, I just have like jewelry, and I literally never wear jewelry. I have like earrings and necklaces, but like I never wear any of them, which is bad. I probably should. Then I have my beautiful TV where I spend most of my time watching Netflix. usually on top of here I also have my candle, but like I'm always scared that my makeup brushes are gonna light on fire, so I always put it down here when I light it. I have another little sign right on top, and then I have another sign back here that Jenna got me. Ashton got me this one for, I don't really remember. Wow, English. Then I have my makeup brushes back here for when I do my makeup. This is where I store all of my makeup. It's not like completely full, like only the first 4 drawers are like full. But if you want to see a makeup haul, let me know in the comments because I can do that, you know. This is where I sleep. I love my bed. It's so comfy. This is my blanket from Nordstrom. This gold pillow is from Target. Yeah. This is my teddy bear. It's a giant Costco teddy bear. And I have a balloon attached to it for my birthday. And then I just have like other pillows. And then there's this one from Forever 21. This is like my little secret cave. If you can't tell, this isn't like a wall right here. It's pretty cool. It's like storage stuff back here. So I can just like hop over or go under my bed. I have like boxes of like things that like I don't want in my room, but like I still want to keep and stuff. I should probably go through it because it's quite messy. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Like I said, I have a surprise. I got a puppy! Like 5 months ago in February, and it's May now. But I've never showed you guys, unless you follow my Instagram or my Snapchat, but she's a lot bigger now. So yeah, this is my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Coming over, oh, that was the wrong zoom. Doggo, I love you so much, Doggo. You're cute. Look how cute you are, Doggo. You want to see the camera, Doggo?